you're expecting a baby, then you need to know about vaginal exams. What exactly are they, and do you need them? So a vaginal exam is when your healthcare provider, usually a midwife, checks the condition of your cervix using a gloved finger. They're looking to see how dilated and effaced your cervix is, that is, how softened and thin it's becoming. This can happen in your antenatal appointments or during active labour. Why can they be helpful? They can give information about cervical changes, position of your baby, and how well your labour is progressing. However, there are downsides. I'm Rose, founder and instructor at Birth and More, where I teach antenatal and postnatal classes and support lots of new mums in Dorking, Surrey. The procedure itself can actually be very uncomfortable for mum, particularly if she's already in active labour. They're not actually that accurate in predicting when your labour will start, if it hasn't already, and the more often they are performed, they can increase the risk of infection. So what you need to know about vaginal exams are they're completely your choice. You can actually decline a vaginal exam. You may find yourself under increased pressure to opt in, so it's really important to ask some key questions. Find out what the pros and cons are. Are they recommending the procedure because it's hospital policy and the default behaviour? Or is it actually a medical recommendation? Therefore, there are benefits to you and your baby. What do you feel about the procedure itself? What are your instincts telling you? And how would the information they learn from the procedure affect your birth choices going forward? Really important you have that information to be able to make an informed choice. So let me know in the comments below if you've had a vaginal exam before and what your experience was. Likewise, if you've declined one before, what was your rationale and how did it affect your birth outcomes going forward? I think a lot of first-time mums would really value seeing both sides and to help them make an informed decision. Make sure you're following along for more pregnancy and birth tips like this one and information about my antenatal classes in Dorking, Surrey.